Hi guys, this is more like a test footage, but at the same time I need to clear this down anyway. So I'm going to do an not an unboxing video, sorry, a review video of, stick that in there, a review video of the Odolan, because it's quite quiet here, the lighting's okay, it's good to test. It's good to test the Samsung S10 Plus. So I'm doing this anyway. Most of my videos I'm doing it anyway. Also I need to switch off my brain for a little bit. So just been researching loads of places to rent and it's just hitting a brick wall. I need to come to a decision and this will help me. So I'm just going to put this in this bag here. I don't want to lose this, so if I just stick that in there with the Alanzi mount, which I chucked in here. If I don't put things back properly, I end up losing stuff, so right, let's get this out of shot. Let's get this ready. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, see you in another video. Bye bye.